My name is Matt Otterson. I'm an HRIS lead at American Axle. Work-life balance to me is feeling comfortable doing the things that you need to do or want to do in everyday life and not being overly worried about how that's going to impact your work.
My name is Elise Churchill. I'm the Director of Global HR Operations and Talent Management. AAM looks at our associates as part of the family. And we all know that in life, flexibility is needed. We're spanning multiple generations in the workplace, having families, caring for families. I think it's important for an employer to understand that our associates need flexibility at times, and we're here to support them.
My name is Stephanie Erdman. I work in product engineering and I'm a coordinator. I think it's tough to define work-life balance. I think every day is almost a different definition. AAM, they understand that we have different needs for our family, and if I need to, I can work from home. But I think you define that yourself. Whatever your needs are, you make sure you're talking with your team. It's important for American Axle to support work-life balance because you feel more empowered when you come in to do your job and bring your full self.
AAM supporting my work-life balance has meant that I don't have to miss out on any events for any of my kids. I'm able to go to doctor's appointments. I'm able to go to soccer games. As long as you do your job, you're trusted to be a professional and do the things you need to do.
If you're ready to join the team that's bringing the future faster, apply today at aam.com/careers.